guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today we are doing a jewelry haul. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so before we get started, I will just let you know that everything that I am wearing with jewelry-wise, makeup, the shirt, everything will be listed in the description box if it's available. All right, let's jump in because I've got so much jewelry. I didn't realize I had picked up so many things. They're all so pretty. So let's go ahead and start with what I'm wearing. So there's two new pieces that I'm wearing and then one very recent new piece as well. So let's start with the necklace. This one is from Kendra Scott and I am going to zoom you in. It's so gorgeous, you all. It's almost like a mother of pearl. So it's so beautiful and I love the teardrop design, and then it has the sterling silver, it has the silver all around it in almost is like a filigree, which looks beautiful. And in fact, filigree earrings that I have shown before, these are by Kendra Scott. These are in gold, but they have them in silver and they would go beautifully with this necklace. The other necklace that I'm showing you is also a Kendra Scott. Now I've shown this one before, but it's still available and I think that they go very well together. They layer beautifully together. And this is gorgeous. I absolutely love this chain detail and the druzy on this. It's just beautiful. Then I picked up a new bracelet. This one is from Ann Taylor. What I love about this is it has that drop design, but I have shown you these multiple times and they are so gorgeous. They have them in the silver and the gold, and so they match so well. But this actually has a slight translucent to it. So unlike the earrings, which are totally silver, on one side it's just like that. It's very silver. You can see how bright that silver is. On the other side, it has sort of a translucent look to it, almost a pearlescent look to it, so it's really beautiful and I love it, and I thought it just went so well, and I was looking for just a nice little silver bracelet, and I think it's so dainty and pretty and looks so beautiful. So that's the reason I put these earrings on, because if you pick these up, this bracelet would go so well with that. They're so pretty and I just love how they hang, and they have that high polished gold, and it's almost a hammered, so it's not completely smooth, and I think those look beautiful, and I love how dangly they are too. So these pair are really incredibly cute. Silver earrings from Banana Republic, and I liked these ones because they have a twist to them. So they're a double hoop, and then they have, they're a twisted double hoop. So let me show you that. So aren't those so cute? So I just think those are perfect. Like if you like hoops, but you don't like, you know, really giant, enormous hoops, I think these would look really, really pretty. It'd be really perfect for the office. I think they're really cute. Scroll work design of the hoops. And then, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these necklaces because I have another necklace to show you guys. So what I love, and I've mentioned these before, are these flat magnetic clasps for your jewelry. Love them. I cannot deal, right now I don't have nails, so it's not a big deal. But even so, I am so impatient and I change my jewelry all the time, you know, because I do a lot of different outfits. But that's the one thing. And those come in gold, silver, gunmetal, and I think rose gold. I picked up a necklace from Banana Republic since we're on Banana Republic. So they've made it so that they layer very nice. So let me put them on. The reason that I really like this necklace is one, you know, it's very delicate. Both pieces are very delicate. See, this is where I would definitely, I'm gonna put my clasps on them so I don't have to deal. But alone, really, really pretty. It's almost kind of similar in that pearlescent to the Kendra Scott, but it's got a hammered silver to it, and then it has gold around it. So one of the things I've mentioned a million times is I love mixing metals, and so I love both of these pieces. The second piece is, let me just get this on. Also a little oval that is more of a pearl surrounded by silver, and then the chain is silver with little gold beads. So they go really well, and so this would mix or match beautifully with gold jewelry, as I'm going to show you. So the next pair of earrings that I picked up were from Ann Taylor, and I love these. I'm totally obsessed with these. Right? Again, it's a play on a hoop. This is a double hoop, but it has this line through it, and I mean, the shine on those. And if there's one thing I can say about Ann Taylor, whether it's clothing or accessories, she knows how to do, they definitely know quality. So I think these are so pretty. They just would look, you know what they would look great with? Look at that. I mean, you know I'm obsessed with this. That would also work. This one is wood and gold. This is, oh y'all, I've forgotten where I got this. That's the problem. I took it off of its package. I'll put it here. I honestly don't remember if it was. So I love this. Really super lightweight. It's wood and gold. And then it has one of those simple, nice little clasps that, a little circle and a line. I know there's a name for it, but heaven forbid that I can remember that. And so I love this. And again, these would go so well together as well because it plays off the gold. This would look so great with like a maxi dress, like a white maxi dress with a beach bag. Really, it would look super cute. Another pair of earrings that I picked up from Ann Taylor. These ones are, if you remember these ones, I showed these ones. I will show you how I paired it with that really pretty peachy pink blouse with the puff sleeves, and these paired beautifully. And so they got a lot of different colors going on, which is great because you can wear them with a lot of it. Like it would go definitely with the shirt. It's why I chose white to wear, because basically everything I'm showing you would go beautifully with white. So these were really pretty, but they looked phenomenal with that particular shirt. So I picked up another pair of enamel. Those were all circles. These ones are different shapes and different colors. So in these ones, look how pretty these are. They've got the blues, the browns, the blacks, the creams, and they definitely are, they have all the shapes. So there's a circle, a square, and a half moon. And how pretty, aren't those beautiful? And they're just so unique. Like, that's what I love about them. And again, look how beautiful they look with this shirt. They look so pretty. Let me show you. And look how gorgeous they look with this white shirt. I mean, just super pretty. Now, another pair of earrings that I picked up, and I gave you a sneak peek in what what's up this week. These were, I couldn't resist. So beautiful. They've got the gold, and then the enamel on them is done in pinks, purples, and lilacs. So every single thing that I have purchased from Ann Taylor, and these are from Ann Taylor, would go with these. So that lilac skirt, you know, that beautiful lilac skirt, that's sold out. I shouldn't even show you, but you might have picked it up. So these earrings would look beautiful with that. But honestly, they would look beautiful with anything. I mean, they look gorgeous with the white shirt that I'm wearing. I picked up a pair from Nordstrom's from Panacea. I'm gonna Google that. I feel bad because I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it right. Now, these are definitely a statement earring. They are a hoop with the drop. So let me put one on and then I'll show you the other one close up. And I loved the pink enamel center. They're so pretty. So let me just show you. Look how pretty that is. So it's this gorgeous hoop, and then it has this beautiful drop, and on both sides, so no matter which way it turns, you're going to see that beautiful stone. And it's just so pretty. Definitely like wear it with the shirt that I'm wearing. I think it would look really pretty. I think it would look gorgeous with a black dress. All right, these are beautiful. Look at these. Oh, and these have such a unique shape. This is an abalone. So how beautiful is that? So the abalone is gorgeous. So you'll have different shades of blue and purple and green and turquoise. And so it's just so pretty. And then even the black, let me show you the detail on the back. Even the back, look at that filigree on the back. These are very, very well made. These may be Kendra Scott. I'm pretty sure they're Kendra Scott. And again, how beautiful are those? I mean, these, oof, beautiful. Again, you could, I mean, again, any color. I love them. And again, once again, because of the material, the abalone, very, very lightweight. These ones are from Halogen, and I actually did a sneak peek on these. I wore them in one video, I think, because they went with what I was wearing, and they go beautifully with this necklace from Banana Republic. They actually look like they were meant to go together. So they're a really beautiful shiny teardrop. These are very inexpensive. These are from Halogen. So it looks like a brushed steel. You can see the little brushed marks on there. So really pretty, really beautiful, lightweight. Yes, well, I'd wear all of them, but I would wear this with this outfit today, absolutely. Except that I'm gonna be changing into workout clothes because I'm gonna go for a walk. But yeah, aren't those pretty? All right, there are two pair of earrings that I have shown once or twice, so I just wanna show them again in case you don't see the fashion hole, you see these ones. These ones I just picked up from J.crew. Again, lightweight. They almost, like I said, look like a crochet, and then they have the little beads, 3 beads at the bottom, and then the bead holding it at the top. How cute are those, right? Again, looks great with a white shirt. This is actually a cream, so I would wear a bright white shirt. I will show you how I paired these, and they look really, really cute. And then the other pair that I have shown, but they definitely need a little more love and attention because they're so gorgeous, are these pearls. So they have the teardrop design with the pearl, and then on each end of the pearl there is a bead that is a different color. So we've got green and orange, purple and red. So you want to talk about being able to go with any outfit, these earrings do it. And they're more of a statement, but they're not like too over the top. Again, this is one of those where I would probably not wear a necklace. Oh, I don't know. I might wear the necklaces that I'm wearing right now because they kind of have the same oval shape. But I love these. And they go with a variety of colors because of all the little beads, and I love pearls, so these are gorgeous. All right guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the jewelry haul. If you did, be sure to give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.